one-way traffic. So turning left, I must stay on the left lane. And also the marking tells that I must stay on the left lane. The right lane goes straight and right. After the turn, I get on the right lane, but I see it's also one-way traffic. So if I need to turn left after 50 meters, I must be on the left. Try not to cross the solid line, and after this car, I must be on the left lane. So, and after the turn intersection, there's no sign one-way traffic. That means the default meaning is two-way traffic. So I stay on the right and only overtaking and returning back. Uncontrolled intersection, be careful. Bad visibility, slow approaching. The right side has priority, but I am checking both sides. Okay, nothing. Then I can go. Overtaking. Returning. Give way. Bad visibility. Checking left and right. Slow approaching. No cars, no bicycles, no pedestrians. And compulsory, I must turn right. Checking pedestrians, checking cars and pedestrians on the pedestrian crossing. Slow approaching, no pedestrians, no cars, no pedestrians. After the turn, I can turn right. First exit in the roundabout. It's our priority. They must give us way, but I'm checking really they give us way. Nice. And this is the first exit. After 50 meters, let's turn right. Very narrow road, checking pedestrians. The car must not be parked like this, and also this car must not be parked like this, but I am entering on the right and overtaking. And there's intersection, I must return on the right side. Overtaking, no cars. Returning because I cannot overtake in the intersection. I'm turning right after 20 meters, give way, checking left, right, and I enter this lane, but then I overtake. If a car is coming, I'm indicating and stepping aside and let him pass, and I overtake, and I'm crossing the intersection straight, give way. The task to stay on the right lane when I exit the intersection, although sometimes the cars are parked here because it's two-way. After 100 meters I will turn left, but I am returning to the right side because I am driving two-way traffic. And now I will enter the one-way. Common mistake to get against the traffic here, but only after the intersection is two-way. It is one way when I turn left. So this is one-way traffic. If I need to turn left, remember, I need to be on the left lane. Also, the sign reminds me to do the same. I'm going slightly right, and as we see, we have another sign reminding that it is one-way traffic. I'm planning to turn left before the pedestrian crossing, so I stay on the left lane because it's one-way traffic. And after the turn, it is two-way traffic. Very narrow street. Without cutting edge, I am getting on the right lane. Intersection to the left. So this road is two-way traffic, and I will enter one-way traffic. Completely left. Very slightly left. The trucks are prohibited, but I go completely left. And I recommend you to stay on the left lane, because if you go to the right lane, the first lane goes and oncoming traffic, but at the moment we have nothing, so I can enter like this on the left lane because it is one-way traffic. Also, it is possible to go on the right, but sometimes the cars turning right from in front, we must give them way. I'm turning left, so I stay on the left lane. Give way. No cars. And it's one-way traffic. Traffic lights to the left. And the next intersection also left, so I stay on the most left lane. If I'm going Shilani, then I can stay on the middle lane. Both lanes can